Hey there, I'm Anna. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and to my day 1 subscribers, whether you joined on day 0, day 29, or day 109, I love and I appreciate you. And this video is especially for the ones who have been me from the start. This channel has always been my creative playground. If you look through my past videos, you'll see a mix of everything that I enjoy doing, but mostly I am known for my curly hair content. And embracing my curly hair and finding a community here on YouTube who embraces theirs too has been such a huge gift for me. Helping my own curly girls own their natural hair has been a big part of my journey, and it has also helped me chase my dreams too. My curly hair is something I've made part of who I am, but it hasn't always been easy. Growing up, I was bullied for it, and at times I struggled to love my curly hair, but my dad would always remind me how cute and pretty my curls were, even when I thought that they were like all over the place. Especially when I was young, I had like a pyramid head. So when I started pursuing acting, I realized my curls were actually something that set me apart. My curls made me stand out in a crowd, and for that, I am truly grateful. And I seriously think that I've booked the projects that I've booked because of how my curly hair is, and because it gives off a certain aura, which it does. If you watch my previous video, I still am Anna, I still am the same person, but the hair theory, it's very real, and I'm sure my curly hair played a part. I'm so sure, 100% sure, my curly hair played a part in me being able to book projects. So to my fellow curly hair who has supported me throughout this journey, thank you. I will still be sharing curly hair content, but I've also discovered a new passion that I really want to share with you. And you've been with me through it all, and you deserve to know about this next chapter of my life. Recently, I've found myself drawn to deeper conversations about life, about chasing dreams, finding success, navigating the challenges that have come with it. Pursuing my childhood dream has opened up my eyes to a wider view of the world, to a deeper view of the world. And I've had so many realizations, but really no outlet to share them with. And lately, I've been praying for clarity and direction. Actually, I've been praying about it for months now. And I feel like God has been showing me this new path for my future. There is now a fire within me where I just wanna keep on talking about deeper conversations about life, about what success really is, about what it takes to follow your dreams. And this time, I wanna empower other people outside of the physical aspect, which is empowering curly girls to own up to their curly hair and embrace their curly hair and know how to take care of their curly hair. And I wanna expand deeper and wider into building a community where people reignite their dreams, where people see how they can follow their dreams. To build a community where people just support each other for whatever success means to them. I just feel like the world is slowly losing its spark because people now just dream when they're sleeping and not when they're awake. And with that, I am excited to share my own personal stories and the lessons that I've learned along the way of me chasing my dreams, going after my dreams, and continually defining what success is for me and making my younger self proud of who I am and who I will become. And I want to share resources to everyone as well on how you can too. So with that, I am truly grateful for my day 1s, day 29s, day 109. That's it. I'm so excited for all the content that we will be having. So if you're up for that and this is your first time on my channel, make sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the content pieces, and hit the notification bell so it informs you whenever I do upload. Bye!